So in today's review, I will be reviewing the sun hats from Beautifully Warm. Let's get into it. We have their tan hat. It has a nice ribbon. For me especially, because I am natural, I look for the satin lining. So let's just take a peek. They did not disappoint. There is indeed satin lining inside of this hat, and it fully covers the inside. This strap is actually able to be taken off. Another great feature about this hat is that along with the satin lining, there's also the ability to adjust the inside circumference to give you a more snug fit. Ooh, sassy! And this is what we need. From Beautifully Warm, tag on the inside. And it comes in another color. It actually comes in black, and it has an adjustable strap. See, look at that. If the wind blows, it's still here, right? And you can detach it for that other look that I showed you earlier. Yes, protect your beautiful skin from the sun rays and your hair all at the same time. So check them out. Go to beautifullywarm.com. Grab yours today.